my name is YOAST. Well, today I'm going to show you how to set up a website, and the next thing you're doing is go to bed and sleep when you're making your money. So I'm going to show you very quick how to go about that. So first thing you need to know while setting up this website, you need to get a domain name, you need to get an hosting plan. So what is a domain name? A domain name is the name you are using for the website, the URL. That's the domain name. For example, let's say text.com. Text is a domain name. So .com, text.com, that's a domain name. Let's say u.com, that's a domain name. The hosting is a platform given to you. It's a platform given to you for you to put your document, your content, your video, your images. That's where you're gonna put them. That's the hosting. That's when the hosting is the storage for you to store your content. So you need a hosting, you need a domain name. Then you need some set of plugins that will help you to achieve this, setting up an auto post website. So before I proceed, I will let you know that with this website you are good to make money with it, because you are not doing so much, you're doing a little job, you are not doing much job. So how do we go about this website? Once you go to you can go to Namecheap to register your name, and go to, I will drop the link below, all the details of where to register your domain name, where to register your hosting plan. I will drop the link below. So Namecheap for registering of your name, and you go to HostGator to register your host or the hosting plan. You will not take it, you can take for years, you can take the month plan, it depends on your pocket. So that's for that. So the next thing you're doing is, after registering of domain name and the hosting plan, the next thing you're doing is getting a theme. You need to get a theme, or it's also called a template. So once you get this either theme or template, then the next thing you are thinking of getting is the plugin. The plugin is called CYBERSEO LITE. So this CYBERSEO LITE, it will help you to fetch feed from other websites. Once you fetch feed from other websites, you can bring them into your website, and those people, when they are posting any news or any content on their website, you're also getting it on your website. It doesn't matter what little setting you have to do to get that achieved. So once you get this plugin on your website, after you would have gotten your domain name, you would have gotten your host, then you link them together, then you install your WordPress. Then the next thing, you install the plugin, which is called CYBERSEO LITE. Once you put in that plugin, then there are settings there you need to do. What you're going to look for, the kind of content you really want to put on this your website. Let's take, for instance, you want to do a news website. You go to news website, just go to news.google.com. Once you go to news.google.com, you see there are numbers of news there. You pick any of those websites, you can see them. Click on them. Once you click on those websites, then the next thing you're doing, you pick categories by categories of each website. Let's say I want to pick education category. So when I click education category on any website that I come across, when I pick that, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put / at the end of the URL. Then I put RSS. Once you put RSS, you hit your enter button. Once you hit your enter button, the next thing you're going to see, for you to know if it's going to work, you will see the whole thing, the URL will change to the name, the URL, which is domain name of that site, / instead of RSS, you are seeing feed, FEED. That's what you're going to see at the back. That shows, then next you check those content there before to turn them to code. So that shows that particular website is going to work for the feed is going to work for your website. So what are you going to copy? You are copying that URL that ends with feed. So that's what you're copying. So once you copy that, you now go to your website dashboard. Then click on that CYBERSEO LITE. Once you click on that SEO LITE, then you paste with your control V to paste. You see a search bar there. You paste that URL there. Then you click, you hit your button, you hit your enter button to search. So once you search, then you do some settings. The settings are, or what seconds do you want to pick news from? Do you want it after 30 minutes to pick news from this site? You can just say, I want it after 30 minutes. I want to pick news from this site after 30 minutes, and I want 3 news a day or per minute, per 30 minutes. So those are going to work. So the next thing you're doing is installing Google Analytics on your website to know how many people, how many visitors you're having per day, per second, per hour. You need a plugin called Monster Analysis. It's called Monster, MONSTER, Monster Analysis. So when you get that Monster Analysis, you install it on your WordPress. Then you connect it with your Google, your Gmail. So once you connect with your Gmail, you put in your website. They will ask you for your website while you're doing the registration. They will ask you for your website and your name. You put in those 2 things, and you sign up with them. Once you sign up with them, the next thing you're doing is it's going to show you how many traffic can you have in your website today, how many people actually come to your website. So that's how you keep track of how many people you come across your website per day. Then another thing you're doing, you're going to create a page on Facebook for your website, because you need traffic to that website. Once you create a Facebook page, then you begin to upload, you begin to pick content from that website to the Facebook page. From there you get traffic back, you get a backlink. That's what they call backlink to your website. People click back to your website, they read through your news, they read through your content, and from then the next thing you're going to do, you go to Google AdSense. When you go to Google AdSense, you sign up with Google AdSense, and once you sign up with Google AdSense, they will review your website, and after 7 days they will approve it. And if they're not approving it, you have to do some setting, like you need to a plugin. Once you install that plugin, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to click on the plugin. After installation, click on the plugin, then you put in your website, and that's SEO will help you. You will help those people searching for content online on Google to get through to your website. So with that, Google will approve your partnership with them. So once Google approve your partnership, the next thing you're going to do is they will give you their advert links, their advert code. So you're going to copy those code, put it in your website. You're going to put it in your website header, put it in the website header, footer, then the middle of your articles. You're going to put those code there. So those are the things you need to do after setting up your website. After setting up your website, then you partner with Google. Once Google approves your website, you start making your money. So that's very simple to do. You just need to focus and believe it's possible. So once you do that, that's the end. So what you just need to do is go to Monster Analysis to check how many people are coming. The more people you're getting, the more. And one interesting thing about this thing is that once you get those feed from other websites, people coming to that website will also come back to your website, because there are what they call click back link. So click back link is also there. Once they click, they come back to your website. So with that, you are good to go. So that's very easy for you to do. So this is 2020, you need to make money. So I'm just encouraging you to get a WordPress website, install CYBERSEO, get feed from other websites. I told you how to do that. Once you get those 2 things, get your domain name, get your hosting, get the feed from other websites, get the 2 plugins I told you, which is Monster Google Analysis. Then you get the main one, which I said earlier, which is called CYBERSEO. That's what will allow you to fetch feed from other websites. So you see you Till I see you again, my name is Shundita. Bye for now.